Welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. To show you some of you out there how old I am, this was my first electric sander. Now what I remember about this sander was it's a Craftsman made by Sears, and to get half-sheet paper for it, we'd always go down to the local Sears store and buy sheets of paper for it. Now back then we didn't realize how cheap it would have been if we just bought regular sandpaper in a full sheet and cut it to size. I'm sure though many of you have learned that trick, but I bet some of you probably tried this kind of method up here rather than using something that's much easier. Today I'm going to share with you an easier way to cut sheets of sandpaper. This is the size of sheets I need for my prepping weapons. Well, there you have it, the Rockler Sandpaper Cutter. I found this to be very useful, especially when I'm cutting sheets of paper for my prepping weapons. Now, I know some of you out there are saying, well, I can make my own. Well, yes, you can. In fact, down in the description below, I've left links to several videos that show different examples of paper cutting jigs just like that. So I suggest that you go check those out, and maybe you'll decide to make your own, or do what I did and find one of these on sale at Rockler and save all the trouble. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, remember to hit that thumbs up down below and subscribe. We greatly appreciate all of you who have subscribed, and we thank you all very much for watching.